Our purpose is to help the many stay healthy for longer by providing super simple, affordable top-ups to public healthcare, which is a real game changer. You see, we have something we believe no one else has. Years of insight and experience in the health insurance industry and a vision to create a brand new ecosystem of digital healthcare products and services. It's taken us time to get here because we've done it right, not fast. We've invested strategically, stripping out a huge number of inefficiencies and tackling each problem from every angle. Now we're ready to shoot for the stars, and we know we can get there. We just need to add fuel. This isn't health insurance as you know it. We start with a need, the what-ifs, keeping people awake at night. Then we design products and services to meet those needs. Topping up what's available on the NHS, not replacing or duplicating it. Like a quick diagnosis when waiting lists are long, our rapid diagnostics product provides access to private diagnostic tests, or a lump sum after a cancer diagnosis. Our cancer cover provides financial support and peace of mind. Or mental health support for your employees if you're one of the 5.9 million small and medium enterprises in the UK. This is part of our exciting product pipeline. Our customers pick and choose the cover that suits them best when they need it at a cost they can afford. And it's flexible. People can cancel anytime, switching benefits on and off without penalty. Why is it such a game changer? Well, here are 3 reasons. No explanations or deep pockets required. Our top-ups are simple and affordable. Most people don't have private health insurance because it's too complex and too expensive. Our products don't need an advisor to explain them, and costs start from just over £2 a month. We're operational 24/7, fully automated and online. As a result, we're incredibly efficient, flexible, and accessible, not to mention affordable. We've stripped out waste and put our customers in control. In fact, it's so simple and so easy that they almost never need to pick up the phone. We've ripped up the rulebook with our distribution model. We're truly channel agnostic and have built an extensive distribution network, including the world's largest affiliate marketing platform that gives us access to millions of underserved and untapped customers, including the 23 million adults in the UK who are eligible for but don't have health insurance. And we've already done all the hard work. We are authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. We are Tier 1 suppliers to Aviva, Lloyds of London and Star International Europe Limited approved cover holders. These industry giants underwrite our policies. We also have an excellent risk and governance track record. Our customers love us, and we love them, with an unbroken run of 5-star Trustpilot reviews over the last 12 months. The opportunity is huge. Uncertainty and restriction of normal medical services during the pandemic have made many people hyper-aware of the frailties of the NHS, as well as their own healthcare needs. In December 2020 compared to the year before, the number of NHS patients waiting 6 weeks or more for a diagnostic test was up by a quarter. Digital healthcare really is the future. Growth in the sector is forecast to reach more than 37% in 2021. Research has clearly shown that people are willing to consider private healthcare options when faced with increased NHS waiting times, provided the price is right. 57% of those asked in a survey would buy private health cover if they could pay less than £29 per month, a far cry from the traditional health insurance average of £100 per month. So, where do you come in? We're ready to go. We want to bring new products and services to market and fuel growth of our existing products through key partners and targeted marketing. We have an ambitious roadmap, and with your investment, we can do more faster. The sky's the limit. Will you join us? We would love to welcome you to the Lime family. As an investor, you'll be offered early access to new products, including rapid diagnostics, which recently launched to a select number of partners and has a waiting list in place for everyone else. To find out more, check out our Seedrs pitch page.